everyone, it's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey boo, welcome to the gang. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button and join the family over here because we don't do nothing but level up. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this cute little bun on top, how to slick your edges down like this, and of course reviewing this hair that was compliments of Beyo. So shout out to you guys. And this is their body wave texture. I have it in a 20-inch frontal and I have 3 bundles of 20-inch. So before we get into today's tutorial, please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Liking my videos helps me out so much. Commenting on my videos helps me out a lot as well. So please share your thoughts down below, and it helps my channel out. It helps me grow. It helps me be great. So yeah, go ahead and do your girl a favor and thumbs up this video. So without further ado, let's get into this review. So I'm looking at the ends of the hair and they seem to be a little bit frizzy, so I'm hoping that when I actually press my hair out, my ends don't look like this because I'm not really feeling the ends right now. You guys know anytime I review hair, I have to be 100% honest with you. I do like the thickness of the bundle so far, but the ends are kind of worrying me because I'm wondering if this hair is gonna have a lot of split ends in it, if it's gonna have like a lot of flyaways in the frontal even, and the ends are going to be kind of fried. So I might cut my ends or clip my ends with this unit just to make sure I don't have that issue. But yeah, so then we'll know for sure if it's just the hair or just the ends. I'll check the other bundles and see if they look like this. Okay you guys, so this bundle, this is another bundle that I just undid. This one is a lot more soft than the other one that I just had in my hand, and then I'm going to show you the ends on this one. The ends aren't as frizzled and frazzled on this one. I don't know, it's not as smooth as I like my ends to be. It's a lot of it's just frazzled. So I'm definitely going to clip the ends on this wig, and then yeah. And then I'll do like a deep conditioning too when I do my co-wash. Hey, what's up you guys? So let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm gonna do, this is my wig that I made. You know what I mean? Here's the wig that I made. This wig is 20 inches. I have 3 bundles of 20-inch and then I have a 20-inch frontal. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the makeup on my lace.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long.
Personally, I'm surprised you bought me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, 'cause you're more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour or two. Are you bothering me when you know you don't want me? Are you bothering me when you know you gotta want me? Are you hitting me when you know better? Know better, know you do better than you do. Got me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby, sure. We do whatever we want. Whatever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, love. Long as we got.
So real quick, you guys, before I finish, so basically you guys saw like the bun that I made. All I literally did, because I know I did my last bun tutorial like this, but I just literally am just pulling this bun apart and then just kind of shaping it how I want it to be shaped. So boom. So now it's just like one big old messy bun like that. Now my earring fell out because my doggone earring back, I don't know where that thing fell to. Right now I'm just warming up my flat iron, and I have it on 50, which is the highest setting possible, and then I have my hot comb. So for this back piece, I just want to make sure it's super flat and the hairs are laying a certain way. So I'm just literally going to go over that part. So it's just like some of my other hairstyles. It just has like a little bit of a twist to it. It's not like too different, but I still think this is super cute. Super cute. So this is my little bun. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron the rest of my hair. I am gonna put some oil in my hair. This wig is pretty thick in the back part because I did use 3 bundles, and I always use 2 bundles on my hair. I never really use 3 like that. I mean, I do sometimes, but it's just like literally sometimes. So I'm just going to rub that oil in my hair and then do the same to this side. Now you don't have to put oil in your hair, but I like to because I like the shine that it gives my hair. This was honestly an accident. I didn't even know it was gonna turn out like that. But boom, there it is. To squat down so you guys can see like all of my hair. So basically you guys can kind of see how my bun is going. So in order to get your bun like this, you do have to like play around with it. It's not going to be perfect the first go around. So yeah, pretty much to get this bun, it takes a lot of like playing around with it, but this was literally my first time doing it. So basically all I did was I did like the regular like wrap around. All I did was do like the regular like, you know, twist around bun. Then I put a rubber band like literally on top of that, and then I just started pulling the bun apart so that it can look like this. So that's all that I did. I literally pulled that little bun apart that I wrapped around. So that's kind of explaining like how I got the bun, because I know like that's like the main part, which is the most important part. I think the other important part too are your baby hairs, like how you lay your baby hairs with this hairstyle. And I feel like that's also what kind of helps to give it a more like natural look. So now as far as this hair, so one thing that I mentioned in like the entry clip or whatever when I was just showing the hair and how the hair was, the main concern of mine was the ends, because the ends looked a little bit fried, but the ends are actually fine. They're not like messed up or anything like that. The ends didn't really give me a problem. The only thing that I would say is that I wish that I would have flat ironed the wig out on my mannequin head first and did it like layer by layer, like really thoroughly straightened it out. But it's difficult when you already have the wig on and you're trying to like straighten it out. And then I don't know why, but I cannot find any of my hair clips. I don't know where none of my hair clips are, so that's out of the question. Another thing that I probably would have done different with this wig is I would have used 2 bundles instead of 3, because I feel like 3 was like making it look a little bit more, like a little bit too full. I don't mind my wigs looking full, but I don't like them too full in the back, because I feel like that's what like make it look like bulky or whatever, and I be liking my wigs to lay super flat. So the pros to this hair, that for me personally, is the fullness of the bundles. Not only were the bundles more on the thicker side, but the actual tracks were very thick. So I think that was part of the reason why I could have just used 2 bundles instead of 3, because the bundles were so thick as it was. I mean, The tracks were so thick as it was. I could have just used 2 bundles instead of using 3. And then another thing that I really liked about this wig company is that their lace frontals are already basically pre-plucked for you, like really good. So if you're like a beginner plucker and you're not really that great, they already have a hairline that's pretty much natural. You just need to fix the part that's behind that hairline and then blend the two together. Here's the hair in the back. Like I said, I do need to straighten this out again. It's not like perfectly straightened, but I do like the quality of the hair nonetheless. I mean, it's not really giving me any problems either, because my concern, one of my main concerns was whether or not this hair was gonna start tangling up on me or if it was gonna start matting up, because the ends were looking a little frizzled and frazzled, but these are all the ends here. There is absolutely nothing wrong with the ends. It has a nice flow to it. The hair is not like stiff or anything like that. I am gonna run another flat iron. Yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested in this hair, I will leave a link to this hair down below. I would definitely consider checking out their frontals for sure, for sure. I would highly suggest picking up their frontals because they're like so beautifully pre-plucked, and it just saves you so much time during the process. Like, you already know, okay, I only have to pluck here, here, and here, and then I'm done. So this is the look. I know it's kind of similar to my last look, but it's not exactly the same because it's just one little bun that covers up the whole top, and then of course, you know, you got to get your edges right. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys loved today's tutorial. If you guys like this video, do me a big favor and give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.